Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Safwan Samayal. Today we are going to see egg butter masala.
In a pan, add 10 gram butter. Add 3 green chilies and spices. Then add 2 onions. Saute well. Now add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Add oil if needed. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Add 1 big tomato. Saute well till the mixture becomes soft. Close and cook. Now add 2 teaspoon chili powder and 1 tablespoon curry masala powder. Mix well. Switch off the stove and cool the mixture. Now grind the cooled mixture to a paste. Masala is ready now. In the same pan, add 1 tablespoon butter. Let it melt. Now add the ground mixture. Add required water and boil it. When bubbles come, add 1 teaspoon milk maid. Instead of sugar, I added this. It gives extra taste. Now add 3 tablespoon badam paste and mix well. When the gravy becomes thick, add the boiled eggs one by one. Coat the egg with the masala and cook for 5 minutes. Finally add crushed kasuri methi. Our creamy egg butter masala is ready. Thank you for watching this recipe. Like, comment, share and subscribe to Safwan Samayal.